Hey guys, I'm Disney Dad, and today in this video I want to dive in some of the best snacks over at Disneyland. Let's get started. First on my list is the Churro Toffee, and if you love churros, you're gonna love this. Treat of toffee dipped in white chocolate then rolled in cinnamon sugar became a fan favorite when the candy shops at Disney California Adventures, Trolley Treats, and Big Bong Sweet Stuff. This is so sought after that the shops can barely keep up with it. So if you're lucky enough to get your hands on it, you're gonna wanna try it. Now next on my list might not be a snack for some people, but it had to make my list. And that's the burning hot mac and cheese dog. Full hot dog with macaroni and cheese on top and is dusted with flaming hot Cheetos. And also you get a bag of Cheetos to eat with it. Such a fiery good deal, you're definitely gonna feel a heat check with this meal. Next up is the Jack Jack Cookie Num Num. You get a whiff of this through the second tunnel on the Incredicoaster, and boy does it smell good. Of course, you start feeling a bit like Jack Jack and suddenly crave a cookie, but don't get hangry. There's a cookie cart right outside the ride exit. You can get a warm, giant Jack Jack Cookie Num Num. It's deliciously gooey with huge melted chocolate chunks and big enough to share with a friend. The cart sells assorted milk to wash it down with, and there are gluten-free shortbread cookies also available. You can't make a snack list without mentioning the myth, the legend, the whip, the Dole Whip. Or in this case, I want to mention the Dole Whip Float. Dole Whip is a soft-serve pineapple-flavored frozen treat that you can find at the entrance to Adventureland in front of the Enchanted Tiki Room. You can order the Dole Whip itself or as a float in a pineapple juice like I like to do, complete with a little drink umbrella. Here's a little pro tip for you next time you want to enjoy one of these treats, and that is to go ahead and order it in advance with the Disneyland mobile app and pick it up when you're ready. This way, you can enjoy the Tiki Room while you wait, and once your drink's ready, you can pop out and go grab it. Going down the list and must have is the Ghirardelli Hot Fudge Sundae, and Ghirardelli has its own shop right in California Adventure. Treat yourself to one of the best hot fudge sundaes in the world, and I highly recommend the dark chocolate or the banana split. Perfect as a midday snack or a delicious treat to end your day at the park. One of my personal favorite is the jalapeno pretzel and the cream cheese pretzel over at Bayside Brews at Paradise Pier. These pretzels are both so cheesy and savory, it's the perfect snack for a quick pick-me-up in between rides. You can also find one of these refreshment corners on the main street in Disneyland. I highly recommend you try this and add this to your list of must-tries. If you want to have that complete experience, you have to have something that's shaped like Mickey. Next up is the Mickey Mouse Peanut Butter Sandwich. Another sweet shop favorite is this graham cracker, chocolate, and peanut butter sandwich. It's the perfect combination of sweet and salty with the right blend of crunchy gooiness. Better eat quickly on a hot day though, because the chocolate can get melty. Is it finger licking good? And of course, there are many other chocolate covered treats in this candy shop. Another great Mickey shaped treat is the Mickey Beignets over at the New Orleans Square. These sweet fried fritters are dusted with powdered sugars and one of our favorite choices. But you can sometimes order them dusted with seasonal toppings for holidays or for promotions. You can find these treats at the Mint Julep Bar in New Orleans Square. I highly recommend getting the mint julep to rinse them down. Water can only go so far, and the mint julep is very refreshing with a hint of lime and mint. This is a non-alcoholic drink that goes down very easily. So if you have kids, I recommend getting their own so they don't suck up all yours. So next time you're at Disneyland, make sure you try some of these tasty treats and comment down below if you've had any of them and you would recommend to a friend. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.